and you're around when they're doing this, I've just persuaded them to put my Sea Vixen together so that tomorrow I might fly with them, because there's three
That
jets,
sounds an excellent
the Outlands.
idea, because I've been doing quite a bit of flying today, and apart from the incident earlier where I managed to crash on takeoff, it's been quite good fun, so I can highly recommend it. So these are the Hobbykin de Havilland Vampires. We've got Jeff Cosford, John Brangrove and Pete Fox from the Sedgemoor Club.
And they're all the same aeroplane. It's the Hobbykin, as you say. Lovely little thing, 100 and something pounds, retractable undercarriage, great little aeroplane, flies ever so well. But they've got the three different versions. The first version is the one with yellow on the silver wings, which is the RAF trainer. The second is the sort of grey and green camouflage of the 50s. And the one with the red on the wings is the Canadian version. Then you've got...
we've got Nemo.
Yeah, you've got Nemo.
Nemo the Flying Fish.
Yeah.
That's Jason Hewitt.
Then you've got a couple of Ruckuses, which are the sort of red and white ordinary propeller aeroplanes. And then you've got somebody with a multiplex fun fighter. Basically, ladies and gentlemen, these are things you can go and buy, or rather buy online, some of them, and they fly really, really nicely. They're nice and cheap, most of them, and they do what says on the tin.
They're fun, you can put them in the car doesn't smell of fuel.
That's right. Just need a couple of batteries and the correct charger. Got to do it safely.
You don't get oily fingers.
No. And my wife allows me to work on my electric models in the house. She's not actually listening at the moment, she's too busy talking. But she lets me work on the models in the living room while we're watching telly.
That is quite
special. Didn't when I was running two-stroke engines.
No. So going to the club on a weekend or an evening or a weekday if you're nice and tired.
Yeah. And just taken off is the Jeffy Hawker Hunter, and that absolutely flies beautifully. Often said to be the most beautiful jet fighter ever made. That's the, I'll tell you as it's coming past, it's got yellow on the wings, it's actually coming into turn now, you'll see it. Turning across in front of you now, at about 100 feet up, diving towards the ground, the one with the yellow stripe sort of thing. Hawker Hunter, British design, actually designed by the same man that designed the Hawker Hurricane. Which is the aeroplane that you flew.
That's right.
For the Battle of Britain film.
Yeah.
And the Hawker Hunter was designed by the same guy, Sir Sidney Cam, who started his career designing Sopwith aeroplanes. So you've got the whole progression here. The Sopwith up.
We have, yeah.
You've got then the Hawker Hurricane, then you've got Hawker Hunter, and of course later he was involved in the Harrier jump jet.
There are just some people that go through the history of planes, aren't there?
Bit special. Huge talent. Huge talent.
I think as well that these vampires as well, they've actually adapted their planes.
Yes.
So they've modified the airframes by smoothing out the air intake.
Yeah, there's a bit of schmoozing going on here. It depends. They go all right with that, to be honest. But having said that, who's going to tell a modeler not to improve?
Exactly. Have you flown both types?
Say again?
Have you flown both types? The improved one and the non-improved one?
Well, I haven't flown their improved version,
okay.
But I have flown this particular model many times.
And hopefully tomorrow?
Well, no, mine will be the Sea Vixen, I'll show you.
Oh, okay.
That's
looking pretty.
And apparently John Bransgrove has got one of those. So we might have two vampires and two Sea Vixens. We'll see what the weather's doing, see what the wind is like, and see how the test flight goes tonight. There's a minor detail of it not having flown before.
but we'll check it out, make sure it all works fine.
That's the plan. That's the plan.
Looks like we have a landing here.
Yeah, the T-28. They always fly well, those. I've never seen one of those that doesn't fly.
No, they're very
brilliantly.
nice actually.
American trainer used by the Navy and the Air Force.
And they get quite a good flight time as well.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That was the problem, wasn't it, with early electric? You didn't really get much flight time.
That's right.
Now batteries have improved, you get a lot longer.
So we've got the Vampire, which was one of the first two jets to see service with the Royal Air Force, and the Hunter, which saw service all over the world, which is a swept wing aircraft rather than the twin boom aircraft. So brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Might suggest we actually have a 50s and 60s jet slot, you know, just a thought.
There's a certain man you could talk to about
Yeah,
that.
there's a man, we know a man.
Yeah, our flight line director here who's been working hard all weekend.
Yeah.
He's actually been rewarded by an ice cream, so I think that's